Italy holds a unique place in the world. It is famed for its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, warm-hearted people, and of course, its delicious cuisine. The Italian way of life is synonymous with la Dolce Vita, or the sweet life, which signifies savoring the daily pleasures and simple joys of life. Social life in Italy revolves around family and food. Meals are times when people come together to discuss the events of the day and find a momentary escape from the pace of daily life. Cafes and restaurants are always bustling. Lingering conversations over a tiny cup of espresso are a common sight. City life varies from the fashion of Milan to the history of Rome, the romance of Venice, and the lively streets of Naples. Each city carries its own unique atmosphere and offers a variety of experiences to visitors. But Italy is known not just for its urban areas, but also for its countryside, towns, and villages. Life here is slower, and there is a strong sense of community. When it comes to the real estate market, Italy appeals to a wide range of investors and dreamers. Luxury apartments and historical buildings in big cities command very high prices, while rustic villas and farmhouses in the countryside are more affordably priced. In some areas, homes are put on the market for symbolic prices to revitalize towns, an attractive option particularly for buyers willing to undertake renovations. Taking everything into account, Italy promises a unique quality of life with its own rhythm, history, and aesthetics for both residents and visitors. Whether you desire the cosmopolitan city life or dream of a pastoral rural getaway, Italy opens its arms to everyone.
Don't dream your life, live your dreams.